install.
Yes.
Tell me about what the heck's going on here?
Well,
Lambo Doors. What's going on?
The install was a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
But I had to take the fenders off. So when I take the fenders off, I have to tape up the door.
Yeah.
So up top, off to the side, so it doesn't move anywhere in place.
Yeah.
So it's all solid. So then take the hinges off, bolt up the bracket, like put the bracket in, line it all up,
Yeah.
and then bolt it from there.
Yeah.
And then do all your adjusting.
Holy shit.
But then the fender, the lip on the inside of the fender, you have to cut off.
Right.
So I've cut about 1.5 inches in, about 8 inches down.
How long did this whole take?
It actually, the one side took me about 3 hours. The other side took me a couple hours.
Damn.
And a little bit of help.
So you got it lined up though. I remember
Yep.
I saw a post.
Yeah.
And then you had some lineup issues, right? Damn. Look at that.
Oh yeah, solid set.
In the back too?
No, not yet.
Not yet. You're doing the same thing?
Yes. But yeah, I'm gonna do the back. I'm hoping a gentleman gets back to me.
Yeah.
He's got a set on the chart. So I come actually to here when it was really, really busy.
Yeah.
And they had their $1 dozen. But come down, met up with them, and my one strut on my door failed. So my door dropped.
Oh, okay.
That was my trip to come down here, but I got a nice set of lights. But yeah,
Nice.
what can you do?
They look good.
No, they do. They work nice.
Love the Lambo Doors though. Who else has Lambo Doors?
Where is? I don't even think he's here today.
Dale, bro.
What's up, buddy?
It's good, man.
All that it's still doing it.
Lambo Doors.
Yeah, man.
Damn.
We're a little different than last time, eh?
Yeah, just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Did you install yourself?
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, installed it myself.
So yo, are the back doors?
No, I wish they were. No. Well, I heard when you open up the back, you have to open the front to open the back. Because if you had Lambo doors on the back, you cannot open it unless you open the front doors. And I have kids, so it's kind of hard for them to get in and out. It would end up wrecking my car if I did that. But the DeLorean's doors would be nice though if you had it straight up.
Yeah.
I actually seen that on a car.
On a Magnum or on a car?
On a Magnum.
On a Magnum.
Yes, I seen
Looks like that's coming up.
on one of our Mopar groups.
Yeah.
I don't know how he did it, but it's like, and it comes up part of the roof. Like they cut out the roof and put it on so it comes straight up.
Yeah. That's dope.
Yeah, it does look good.
Was that a bitch?
Yeah, it was a pain in the ass to get in.
It's
Yeah.
like all custom pretty much. You gotta cut it out technically, right?
Yeah.
Just fit it in there. Looks clean though.
See, but the only thing you had to do back here was take off. You have to take off the sidewalls off of here, right?
Oh shit.
Because of this part starts rubbing along here. So you gotta fabricate all of this. I just used a Dremel. And Dremel's it all out. But it looks good though.
Freaking looks amazing.
I
man.
like it. I like it.
Showstopper.
Yeah,
Probably when you go to Walmart, it's just freaking bam.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Up,
I have a
bro?
whole bunch of people always saying, "Wow, take cars. Does it come like that?" I'm like, "No, I wish, right?"
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. I would really appreciate it. Take care, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.